Hey guys, welcome back. This is another episode, and I'm going to be opening my first Legendary Treasure. So, I've already opened this part because I was too excited because I bought it at Target. It's a Mewtwo pack. So, I'm going to carefully open this up. First card is a Dwebble, a Zoroark, a Sewaddle, a Snivy. For my reverse, I got Zoroark. For my Radiant Collection Kirla, Muscle, Charmeleon, my rare is Exnadra, and a Radiant Collection Stunfisk. Make sure to leave a like, and if we hit up to 10 likes, I might open an Elite Trainer box.